It's so easy to think of Dungeons and Dragons Dungeon Masters and think of faces like Matt Mercer, Chris Perkins, Brennan Lee Mulligan, and so many others. So today we're going to talk about one that does not get enough love, Aabria Iyengar. First of all, if there's anything that you can say about Aabria Iyengar, it's that her energy and enthusiasm is never-ending and infectious. She can keep up her upbeat attitude for hours on end when most of us would be ready to tap out. This is admirable and evidence of her commitment to her players and their experience. Secondly, she is a spitfire of improv that is ready at a moment's notice for anything you can throw at her. Honestly, this is a skill and she makes it look so easy. She's also a shining example of using the rule of cool. She knows her rules and is not afraid to let you know if you're wrong, but she's also ready and willing to let things slide if it means a great memory. She's a fast-paced and in-your-face style of DM that a lot of people find very easy to relate to, so it's easy to see why so many people are getting into D&D thanks to her laid-back attitude. She creates some very unique characters full of life and with an iconic attitude and flair that makes them all her own. Tell me what you love most about Aabria in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.